Today we're talking about green healthcare and how your facility can go green with surface repair. In this short video, we'll go over what green healthcare is, why it's important, and what you can do to contribute. Green healthcare is the commitment of reducing waste and carbon emissions in the healthcare sector. This can be achieved at all organizational levels through the incorporation of sustainable practices into the clinical setting. But why does green healthcare matter? The healthcare sector is a major contributor to the climate crisis, with up to 8% of national carbon emissions being attributable to the healthcare sector alone. And this problem is made even worse with the amount of waste being produced by the pandemic. The climate crisis has both direct and indirect consequences on human and planetary health, with the World Health Organization estimating about $4 billion per year in direct costs. Therefore, it is critical for healthcare advocates to demand action and implement sustainable options into their clinical practice. One way in which healthcare professionals can do this is by choosing repair over replacement when medical equipment is damaged. For example, when dealing with hospital mattresses, a ripped mattress is an infection risk, so the entire mattress must be sent to the landfill. However, in about 80% of cases, the surface can be repaired instead. Repair not only reduces the waste sent to the landfill, but also reduces carbon emissions from the healthcare supply chain, reduces costs compared to replacement, and eliminates the infection risk from the damaged area. Introducing CleanPatch and surface repair into your healthcare facility is an easy step towards a circular economy without risking patient safety. To learn more, visit our website at cleanpatch.ca or reach out to your local CleanPatch distributor.